So many people have asked us about cleaning the Gather grill. So we're going to jump in and show you specifically the way we recommend cleaning it. And out of all the grills, of course, grills are a pain to clean, no matter if it's gas, charcoal, wood burning, it doesn't really matter. But the cool thing is we believe that we can get this baby ready to go in less than 5 minutes. So I'm going to show you how. Come in close. First thing, griddle. So this grill has been cooked on, I don't know, 6 or 8 times. It has been not taken care of. We've got all kinds of gunked up food on here. Let me show you the bar grate. We've got food that's been left on that. This is all stainless steel. It doesn't look it, but it's all stainless steel, so it's not going to rust. But we've got food on this bar grate, food on the griddle. I'm going to take this up and show you. We've got food and grease around this edge here that we're going to have to get up, and then you can take this whole ring off. And here's what's going on with the ashes. So this is where all the ash and the grease has fallen after all these different cooks. Whoop, so we'll knock that off. And our ash pan here, you just grab it by the handles and turn it. Oh, and we're going to sit that right here. And then all of this, we just want to push that all to the bottom, and then we're going to get it out with something as simple as a cup. You could have some gloves on your hands and pick it up with the gloves. But it's pretty simple to do this. And the last but not least, we've got wing nuts on the bottom of these ball transfers. So we will take these off, and we're going to take them in and clean them. You can clean them on the grill. You don't have to take them inside, but we're going to take them inside because they're pretty gunky. The grill's not spinning as well as it obviously does when you first get it. And then we have these little ball bearings here. So we're about to go through this process. It's going to take us, supposedly, from what I'm saying, less than 5 minutes. So we're going to run a time lapse, and you're going to be the judge. And then we're going to clean this off with our scraper as well. So that's about it. The only other thing that we have, if it ever fills up with water, if you get down here close, if it ever fills up with water, we're under a covered space here, so it's not an issue. But all you do is you tip the grill and everything will flow out. So it's super easy to get it dry if it does fill up with water. Thankfully, we're not having to deal with that now. So let's clean this baby. All right, let's go. Start the timer. Let's get going. There you have it. 5 minutes flat. Just joking. I think we went a little over 5 minutes. However, this grill was super dirty. We cleaned it in, what was it, 10 minutes? let's see, 10 minutes, 20 seconds. If you cleaned it every time, it would take you about 5 minutes. But we are now ready. You could put some more elbow grease on this. You could get lemon juice or different type of grill cleaners, and you can get all this black off if you want to. But we're now back to a fully functioning, spinning, ready to use grill. There you go.